I'm on my way right now to go sell the GoPro. Dude came down from Ceres. It's about a 45-minute drive, and he's basically coming to me. So I'm gonna sell him my GoPro. I mean, the only reason I'm selling it is because I'm trying to get my camera game back up. My car was stolen, like I'm gonna tell you on the video later on. My car was stolen, so now I have to get all my stuff back. So I mean, it's like a win basically. So with that money from the GoPro, I'm gonna end up hold on, 12 over here. The boys here. Gotta put the camera down. Act like I'm not vlogging. He didn't pay attention to me. But yeah, he's gonna end up copying my GoPro Hero 4 Black Edition. And with that money, I'm gonna end up getting me a vlogging camera. All right, guys, so I just pulled up to Tracy Chevrolet now, and I actually see my cards right there. But as a look of it, it looks like they haven't even touched it. So I'm actually gonna go down and see like if they fixed anything. And actually, I'm gonna bring you out right now. I'm gonna get down and we're gonna check it ourselves. I see somebody running over there, like he about to come get it, but he not. All right, let's go. There you go. You guys can see it right there. It's too dark now. Damn, this just looks hella ugly. Let me get that on there. So yeah, you can see it. It's all dirty. That's how I know it's mine, you feel me? Oh, what? Look at it. It just opened. Put it on there. So yeah, that's what it looks like inside. Nothing too bad. They just broke the steering wheel. Obviously they broke this, so vehicle moves. Yeah, just checking them to see if everything's good, but yeah, no, yeah, but this shit. All the stuff that's in there. What's up with all my sons? It's your boy Louie, and you back at it again with another vlog. And today you can see me, we're already in the car, so we're already ready to mob. Got the little man back there. Say what's up to the camera. That's my little brother. But anyways, about to go get some cleats for him because he got a game today. Got to get him some cleats. Right now I'm about to go pick up Anders, the Cuddy, and then we're about to head out to Modesto Mall and hit up Dick's Sporting Goods. Get him some brand new cleats. Today, vehicle of choice, we got the Jeep. So you know we mobbing tough. Nah, I'm about to put the camera down. Nah, maybe we'll see. Oh, they got hella PS4 Pros.
Bro.
How you doing? Might have to cop me one of these.
No, don't do it.
Yep, I'm gonna have to get me one of these. How about you give me 200? Nah.
How about I try to open up a card, fuck up my entire credit?
Yep, I'm gonna have to come and cop one of these when I come back here. Send to pick up the new Call of Duty. Yep, I'm gonna.
300? Nah, wait till Black Friday, bro.
Alright, let's go this way. Came to Best Buy to cop a new vlogging camera, and I'm stuck between the Sony A600. Let me turn this shit down. So I'm stuck between this one, 629, and let's go find the other one.
There we go. Migos knows.
That's
Bro,
a
they stacked up
Sony.
on lens.
That's what I'm saying. They got all of them, man.
So this is.
Alright, so I came to Best Buy to come check to see if they had the G7X Mark II. What is this? I heard this one's pretty good too, but the M3. I feel like this is too big though to vlog. So let me see. Oh, I think it's. Oh, yeah, that's mine.
They got hello lens on them.
This is G. Let me see. So the G5X. Oh, it's right here. So I'm gonna burn this up on this. So this is the G7X Mark II. This is the one I was debating. The G7X Mark II versus the Sony. Honestly, I might even go with this one because it has a flippable screen. I might have to go with this one. So,
You placed outdoor, right?
no, yeah, outdoor, yeah. You know which ones you want?
them right here. No, not these ones.
You want those, but different color? Let me see. Those are clean. Are these ones?
Oh, you already took them.
Huh?
You already took them.
These, no?
What?
No? These aren't the ones you want? Alright, hold on. Alright, let's find them then. Which ones?
It was this one.
Oh, those?
Yeah, but they already took them. So,
Here, look for the name here.
what did Junior?
No, I don't think it was those.
Look at where, cause look, it's not here. I
Okay,
remember.
what is it?
These
Junior Bravo? Right here. Here, check these.
Are these the same? Yep.
Yep, is that it?
I'm gonna just put them on. Are these 4.5?
Yeah, 4.5. So are you sure those are the ones you wanted?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna see them.
Next time,
Uh-huh.
I get hyper venoms.
Upper Venoms.
If they are.
Okay. Let's go, let's go. Good.
Do you have a rewards card, phone number at our store?
No.
Would you like to sign up for one? It's free. Gives you 3% back in rewards, coupons, and other offers.
Oh, no, it's fine, thank you.